Unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Opening excited tone. Hey everyone, welcome back to Yugabyte, your hub for all things tech and science. Today, we're diving into the latest masterpiece from Samsung, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out as we unbox this beauty and explore what's inside. Chapter 1. Unboxing on engaging tone. First, let's check out the box. Samsung keeps it sleek and minimalistic. Just the phone's name embossed on a black matte surface. As always, no frills, just pure premium vibes. Pause for unboxing sounds, e.g. tearing plastic or sliding the box open. And here it is, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In its full glory, we've got the new Phantom Titanium color